Here guys, we're going to install the blind rivets. This modification is removal of this solid Monel rivets, and we open it to a desired size by removing it. After removing, we clean the hole. We open it to size that we need. We applied chemical conversion, deburr it, and apply my chemical conversion. And we're going to install our blind rivets. This is the blind rivet that we have put in. This is called a hack bolt. Cherry hack bolt. So we're going to use this gun to install it. This is a high pressure gun, pneumatic gun. According to instructions, we're to put primer in it. So instead of painting it, we just dip it, put it there, and with this gun, we just slide it down. See that? And that's it. The back tail, we just go off the other side of the gun. So we have this back tail that was off to this one. Actually, that one is still there, but this is from the last one. So it pushes to get out of the barrel. So this is what you call installing the cherry lock bolt. Nice guys, nice, very good. So all I'm gonna do is do all of those, remove and install. Thank you.